everyone. If you are a busy mom like me, I have 5 children and I am always busy, always cooking. So I prefer to do the cooking and the cleaning in the kitchen, at least looking cute, right? You gotta look cute while doing it. I got this on Amazon. This apron is absolutely beautiful. It's made out of 100% cotton, which is really great. It's good quality. And you can easily tie it here on the back and tie it on top. Let's talk about the design. This apron is made from 100% cotton and features the most beautiful floral pattern. Look at this. It gives off such a vintage farmhouse vibe. Perfect if you love adding a bit of charm to your kitchen attire. The quality is fantastic. It feels durable, yet soft, so I can comfortably wear it while cooking, baking, or cleaning. One of my favorite things about it is that it offers these pockets. Let me show you the pockets. So what I love about it is the pockets. I can easily put things that I need within arm's reach, which is great. I can just go, oh, I need a tablespoon. Here we go. It's ready to go. I need my whisk. I love that. I received this as a gift for Christmas and I honestly couldn't be happier. I told my boyfriend that I wanted an apron because I love baking, and he got me this one and I'm so impressed, so happy with it. If you want to get it, please like, subscribe, watch this video, and check it out on my Amazon storefront. Bye.